Dear student, today we are taking the practice question of measure of central tendency, mean, median and mode. Our first question is, if the mean of the distribution xi and fi are given and whose mean is 7.5 and find the value of p. Here p is the unknown number in the frequency. So in this type of question, here find the value of p. We are using the formula for mean x bar equal to summation of fi xi upon n, where n is the sum of frequency. So simple. Next thing is, next column is fi xi. So multiply this. 6 3 is 80. Here 40. 15 into 7. 105. 90. 88. And 52. And again find the sum of this term. n यहाँ पर भी सम करना है, तो p is unlike term. 8 plus 6 14, 15 29, 29 और 41. 8 29 plus 8 37, 37 plus 4 41. Here यहाँ पे भी सम 9p प्लस, अब इनका सम कर लो 8 और 5 13, 13 और 10 23, 3 2 carry 2 and 1 3, 7 7 and 8 15, 5 20, 2 carry 2 and 1 3, 303 plus 9p. And put this sum in this formula. X bar 7.5, summation of fi xi 9p plus 303 upon n. N is the sum of frequency, p plus 41, and multiply this. इसका multiply कर लो. Multiply से पहले इस decimal को remove कर देते हैं. 5 2 is 10, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, and cross multiply it. 15 p plus 41. Here 2, 9p plus 303. Here 15p, then again 15 1 is 15, 1 carry 61, 615. Here 18p plus 303 multiplied by 2, 606. And next transpose 615 minus 606, like term को transpose करो. 18p minus 15p, whose difference is 9. And 18p minus 15p 3p. Then next cross multiply 9 by 3 equal to p. 3 3 is 9 and p equal to 3. So p is the unknown term whose value is 3, and p in the frequency. Our next question is, find the missing frequency f1 and f2 of the distribution whose mean is 50. Here the data are given, xi and fi. Fi is the frequency according to the given data. Here the mean is 50, and find the missing frequency f1 and f2. So the same concept, x bar equal to summation of fi xi upon n, where n is the sum of frequency. Here x bar 50, fi xi, so our second column is fi xi. Here multiplication 170, 30 f1, 0 7710 is the multiplication of 90 into 90. And next, sum of this term. So 30f1 and 70f2 is the unlike term. So 30f1 plus 70f2 plus sum करेंगे इनका 0 0 0 0. Next 7 and 1 8 1 और 6 7 और 7 40 और 4 1 carry 3 4 8 0. So put the value of 30f1 plus 70f2 plus 3 4 8 0 upon n, where n is the 120, a120, and cross multiplied it 120 into 50, 30f1 plus 70f2 plus 3 4 8 0, whose multiplication is 6000, and transpose the like term minus 3 4 8 0, 30f1 70f2, whose difference 2520 is the 30f1 plus 70f2. 10 से डिवाइड कर लो 252, 3f1 plus 7f2, ये इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. Next, n is the sum of frequency. n equal to 120. Sum of frequency is 17 plus f1 plus 32 f2 plus 19 equal to 120. So f1 plus f2 और 17 और 19 का सम कर लो. 36 17 32 and 19, 17 32 and 19, 32 रिमेनिंग रहेगा. इसका भी सम है. 7 और 2 9, 9 और 9 18, 1 carry 2 3 5 और 1 6, 120. And f1 plus f2 equal to 120 minus 68 is the 52. इसको ले लेंगे इक्वेशन सेकंड. And from the equation first and second, we will find the value of f1 and f2 by the substitution method or the elimination method. So again, find the value of f1 and f2 by the elimination method. f1 plus 7f2 equal to 252. ये इक्वेशन फर्स्ट है. अब इसको इक्वेशन सेकंड को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो 3f1 3f2 और 252 को 3 से 3 2 is 6 3 5 is 15 156. whose difference ये कैंसिल. 7 minus 3 4f2, इसका भी डिफरेंस 12 minus 6 6 और 14 minus 5 9. So f2 equal to 96 by 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So f2 equal to 24. And put the value of f2 in equation second. Put the value of f2 in equation second. So f1 plus 24 equal to 52 and f1 equal to 52 minus 24, that is 28. So finally f1 is 28 and F2 equal to 24. These are the unknown term in the frequency. Next question is, the mean of 200 observation was 50. The mean of 200 observation was 50. Here mean is 50 and observation is 200. N is the number of observation. The mean of 200 observation was 50. Later on it was discovered that the two observations were misread as 92 and 8. Two observation 92 and 8 instead of 192 and 88. Find the correct mean. At the time of calculation, two items 92 and 8 was misread instead of 192 and 88. हमें put तो करना था 192 and 88. And two observation, these are misread 92 and 8. So find the correct mean. 50 is not correct mean. Or total observation are 200, but at the time of calculation, these two observation was misread. तो जो mistake हुआ उसको minus कर लो, जो correct करना है वो plus कर लो. And all this calculation plus and minus are possible in the summation of x. So x bar equal to sigma x upon n. X bar is the 50 and sigma x is the sum of observation, n is the 200 multiplied by this. So sum of observation is 10,000. 200 into 50 is the 10,000. Here the 10,000 is the wrong calculation. In this 10,000, 92 and 8 are added, but we are adding this. So the correct sigma x, in the correct sigma x, summation of x 10,000 minus 92 and 8 and plus 192 and 88. इनको प्लस कर दो और इसको माइनस कर दो, तो ये 10,000 माइनस 100 प्लस 280, whose sum is 280, and again difference 10,000 whose difference is 180, so 10,000 180. 10,180 is the correct sum. So find the correct mean. So correct mean is correct sigma x upon n. Correct sigma x is 10,180. N is the observation 200. 0 and 0 cancel. 2 से divide कर लो. 5 0 and 2 9 18 and divided by 10, so 50.9. 50.9 is the correct mean. Here the mean is 50, but after the calculation, with the correct calculation, here the mean is 50.9, and here this mistakes was misread in the sigma x at the time of calculation. So we should subtract the mistake and add the correct value in sigma x. Next question is based on the median. Here the data are given in the ascending order 11, 12, 14, 18 and so on. Here x plus 2 and x plus 4 is the observation. Find the value of x if the median is 24. So first of all, count the number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 observations. So n equal to 10, and which is even number. So the median is n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. Here the median is 24 and 1 by 2, n by 2 is the 10 by 2, 10 by 2 is the 5th observation, and 5th plus 1, 6th observation. So cross multiply 48, and here 5th and 6th observation. In the ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th and 6th. 5th observation is x plus 2 and 6th observation is x plus 4. X and x 2x and 4 plus 2 6, and that is 48. Subtract this, 48 minus 6 equal to 2x and 42 equal to 2x. Next cross multiply 42 by 2 equal to x, then whose simplification is 21. So x equal to 21. X is the unknown term, and here the median is given 24. Our next question is, find the median of the given observation. Here observation is 19, 25, 30, 31, 32, 35, 48, 51 and 59. And next, if 25 is replaced by 52, what will be the new median? First of all, find the median. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here n is 9, and which is odd number. So the median is n plus 1 by 2 the observation. Here n is the 9, so 9 plus 1 by 2 observation. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 by 2 is the 5th observation. And 5th observation in the ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 32 is the median. But find the new median if 25 is replaced by 52. So if 25 is replaced by 52, then 25 is 25 को चेंज कर लो, ये 52 यहाँ पे आके पुट होगा, तो 52 and after then 59. So order will be changed. The same to same we are find the 5th observation. So the new median in this series, because 25 is replaced by 52. 25 को हमने हटा के क्या पुट किया 52. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 32 4th observation हुआ, and 35 is the 5th observation. So 5th observation is the 35. So the new median is 35, and the previous median is 32 before the replacing of 25 and 52. So you can do the same type of question for the practice in your practice book for the mean and median based question.